Hello everybody, so I just wanted to make this video to show how you can print taller objects in by object mode in Bambu Studio. By default, it blocks you can't really print by object if the objects are taller than 90 millimeters. So here I have three objects which are taller than 90 millimeters. I wanted to print them by object and it wouldn't let me. If you're careful to arrange them well on the plate, then you can do it. But the software won't let you. If you go here into settings, I have a Bambu Lab P1S, but it works the same on all the printers that are the same size. So if you go here and on Bambu Lab P1S and click to edit the presets, you will see here that the height to lid was set to 90 millimeters. Now you cannot change it straight from here, it just doesn't let you, it's grayed out, even though the advanced it's turned on, which is a bummer. So what you can do to change this height to lid distance is you have to change the JSON file. So go to help, and this is how you can find those files. You go to show configuration folder. It's gonna get you here into Bambu Studio. And here, let's search for it here. Cache, no. Printers, no. System, you need to go to BBL, so it's in system, BBL. And filament, machine. So go to the machine part. And these are where the JSON files are. And you have all the different Bambu printers. But what you want to do is go scroll way down. This is on a Mac, yeah. Scroll way down until you find this FDM BBL 3DP001. And you just open it with the text editor. So this is the text edit app. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see extruder clearance height to lid. And this was 90, and all I did was change it to 140. And so I changed it, I saved it. And after I restarted the app, now as you can see, it doesn't give me that error, and it also appeared here in the printer settings. Now, probably after an update, I will have to redo this again. But anyway, I hope this helps. Hey, so this is what I mean. So I printed these tall objects that are taller than 90 millimeters by object with the lid on. You can pretty much print 140 millimeter tall objects with the lid on, but if you want to go even higher, all you do is remove the lid and then reset that clearance number in the JSON file. If you're careful how you arrange your objects and also the order in which it prints, it shouldn't hit the print head or the cables. So just be mindful of that, and you can easily print by object, which is more efficient and faster, even with taller objects. Okay, well, again, hope this helps. Bye.